Here's a look at the EMini S&P for Thursday, June the 9th, 2011. When we left yesterday, we were suggesting that possibly the market might have a bit of a bounce. The kind of volatility that we had yesterday suggested that it was a possibility, and that we would look if the market were to rally up. The next resistance was at 1290 and then 1298. This is basis the June contract. So what we're looking at here on these profiles, by the way, this is the overnight profile here. This is yesterday's profile, and this is today's. So overnight session didn't really do, well, it stayed more or less within the parameters, if you will, but as soon as the RTH opened, had a nice run up. You can see it hit, well, early in the session it hit, I think it hit 90 actually was the main area for about an hour or so, and then it moved higher. Did not make it up to our 98 area up here, which is our next target, and we're somewhat skeptical of this move, although it was nice to see it break higher. The market appears to have some support either in around the 86 area or even down at 82, and of course our objective is still up into the 1298 area basis, the June contract. The September contract did roll over today. There was still more volume in the June, likely to be more volume in the September starting tomorrow. So if you are trading the futures, I would recommend to, not as mandatory, but certainly recommended to start trading the September starting tomorrow. So these numbers I'm giving you right now, you really need to drop them down about 5 points, because the September contract is trading about 5 points lower than the June contract right now. Here's the market profiles from just the regular trading session this week. We use that in our analysis. So today was much different than yesterday. We had extreme volatility yesterday, a lot of trades set up and triggered. Today we only had one trade set up and triggered. It was a long trade right here. You can see our dashed blue line. This is our entry. It did hit our price here. We did not get filled on that. It just hit it and bounced. We didn't get filled until a little later here, and so we're able to participate in a nice up move. It hit our first two objectives. It did come back and stop out right here, right to the tick. Our entry price on the final 1/4 of the position. So we ended up with just a profit on our first 3 out of 4 contracts today, or 3/4 of our position. So we're looking, as I said, around the 86 area of support, possibly even down around 82, with a look at either today's high or that 98 area, in other words 94 to 98. We do have a more of a, the market could be in transition to up intraday. It's not yet. I think it's got some more work to do. So it's trying to transition up. So there's not a firm bias either way right now, but it is leaning higher. Thanks for watching the video. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Always enjoy hearing your questions and comments. So that'll be it for today. Thanks, and we'll see you again tomorrow.